How old are you?
I'm 17.
This 17-year-old built an app that's making $1 million every single month, and I'm about to break down exactly how he did it. Stick around, because at the end of this short video, I'll reveal the single most powerful strategy that made his app go viral, and how you can apply it to your own app ideas. So the app is called BuildWithAI, and here is how it works. You take a picture of your food, and it instantly tells you how many calories are in it, and it's 90% accurate. You don't have to spend 15 minutes to weigh out your food manually. Of course, it's not as accurate as scanning barcodes directly, which provides precise data, but it is way easier and quicker to use since you literally just take a picture of the food. The app is extremely simple, but that is exactly why people love it. In just 6 months, Zach Yadgari scaled this app to $1 million a month in revenue, with 50% profit margins, and basically anyone could make this app. But what made him be able to make it earn this amount of money is just all in how he marketed it. This kid was extremely dedicated because he reached out to hundreds of health and fitness creators knowing that just one viral video could skyrocket his downloads. But here's the twist. He scaled this strategy to 150 plus influencers, all creating videos for his app. That is insane dedication if you ask me. But why did influencers love promoting this app? The answer lies in how Zach designed it. Because the app was just bound to go viral. And the influencers showcase it naturally in their "what I eat in a day" videos. And their followers flood the comments asking, "What app is this?" Because all of the viewers are used to spending 30 minutes on tracking their food using MyFitnessPal. But how did Zach know all of this would work before he even started building the app? The answer lies in how he validated the idea. He saw that calorie tracking apps like MyFitnessPal were outdated and frustrating. So then he combined that pain point with new AI, like ChatGPT APIs, and created an easier to use version. But can success like this actually last, or is it just a short-term win? The app operates on a subscription model, priced at $10 per month or $30 per year. And due to this pricing model, most users opt for the annual plan, which is exactly what he wants. And monthly subscribers often discontinue after the first month, making the $30 upfront payment for the yearly plan a more profitable approach. I don't know about you, but I have actually found myself buying an app for the annual subscription, completely forgotten about it, and then a year later realized I paid for the subscription again. And by then, you're unlikely to ask for a refund, since it's only $30 for a full year and you have already paid for it. Plus, his onboarding process is genius, because when new users download the app, they get asked about their fitness goals. The only reason they ask about this is to make the potential customer aware of why they are willing to pay to use this app. So what's the secret strategy that skyrocketed his app to $1 million a month? He didn't just think, "Wow, this is a cool idea for an app." He thought, will influencers want to share this app? And will people actually find value in this app? If the answer wasn't an obvious yes, he didn't pursue it. So here's the takeaway. Don't build an app and then figure out how to market it. That's like cooking a dinner for 1,000 people without knowing if anyone even wants to eat it. You should build something you already know will go viral.